Now next question number 6. I am going to solve question number 6. So read everyone question number 6. Question number 6 is simplify cos theta. This is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta, that is sin theta minus cos theta, that is cos theta, that is sin theta. Okay, simplify this. तो पहले तो ये cos theta सब में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So what we have? Cos into cos, cos square theta, cos into sin, cos theta, sin theta, cos into minus sin, minus cos theta, sin theta, cos into cos, cos square theta, and plus this one, sin सारी एंट्रीज में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. Sin into sin, sin square theta, sin into minus cos theta sin theta, sin into cos sin theta cos theta, and sin into sin square theta. Okay, this one. Now अब ऐड करेंगे corresponding entries. We will add corresponding entries. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is cos theta sin theta. This is minus cos theta sin theta. That is 0. Minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta. That is 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. And we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 0. So that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That is 1. This is 0. This is 0. That is 1. So that is an identity matrix of order 2. Okay. Now question number 7. I am going to solve question number 7. Question number 7. Find x and y if x plus y is given. This is 7, 0, 2, 5, and x minus y is given 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay. That's very easy question. Suppose this is equation first and that is equation second. So adding first and second. What we have? Left side में left side add करो. X plus x, 2x, y minus y cancel. That is equal to. That is 2x is equal to. Add right to right. These are matrices of order 2 by 2. They can add to each other. So 7 plus 3, that is 10. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now what will be x? X is equal to 1 by 2. That is 10. 0, 2, 8. So here x is what? That is equal to. अब एक तरह से ये क्या है? 2 से सारी एंट्रीज को आप डिवाइड कर लो. That is 5. That is 0 divided by 2. That is 0. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay. Now how can we find out y? So subtract second from first. So clearly x minus x will be 0 and y minus y. That is y plus y. That is equal to 2y. अब आप subtract कर लो right में right side. This is minus right side. So 7 minus 3, that is 4. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. and 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, then from here y is equal to what? You can see y is equal to what? That is y is 1 by 2. This is 4 0 2 2. So y is, this is 2 से आप डिवाइड कर लो, this is 2, 4 divided by 2 2, 0 divided by 2 0, 2 divided by 2 1, 2 divided by 2 this. Got it? So that is simple question. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Find x and y if 2 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 equal to 5 6 1 8. This. So this is this is multiplication of a matrix with a scalar. So 2 सारी entries में multiply होगा. We have to multiply 2 with all entries of this matrix. So we have 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into x 2x, and plus this one is y 0 1 2, that is 5 6 1 8. That is, add these two matrices. So corresponding entries will be added. 2 plus y, that is 2 plus y, 6 plus 0 6, 0 plus 1 1, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, that is equal to 5 6 1 8. Now because these two matrices are equal, so their corresponding entries must be same. Clearly this 2 plus y must be equal to 5. 2 plus y is equal to 5. Then from here y is equal to what? 5 minus 2, that is y is 3. Y is 3. And 2x plus 2 must be equal to 8. And 2x plus 2 equal to 8. So from here x is equal to what? 8 minus 2 upon 2, that is 6 upon 2, that is 3. So x is equal to 3. Okay, that is the solution of question number 9. Now question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 is given 3 times x, y, z, w equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus this is 4, that is x plus y, that is z plus w, and that is 3. We have to find out, to find x, y, z and w. Okay, so see its solution. Its left side will be what? 3 से सारी एंट्रीज में मल्टीप्लाई होगा, that will be 3x, this is 3y, 3z, 3w, and right side add these two. What we have? X plus 4, 4 plus x, 6 plus x plus y, x plus y plus 6, minus 1 plus z, z minus 1, 2w, sorry, minus 1 plus z plus w, so that will be z plus w minus 1. Okay, and this is 2w plus 3, 2w plus 3. Now these two matrices are equal, that's why corresponding entries must be same. Clearly from here we have 3x is equal to 4 plus x. Clearly from here what we have, 3x minus x is equal to 4. That is 2x is equal to 4. That is x is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So x find out हो गया. X is 2. Now see, this is 3y equal to x plus y plus 6 is equal to 3. Okay, so that will be, put the value of x is 2 plus, that is y, it will be transferred to right side, and this one is 6 is equal to 3y minus, this is y. This is 2, that is the value of x, and y is transferred to this side, and this is 6. So what we have, right side is 3y minus y, that is 2y, and left side is 8. So from here y is equal to what? 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So y is 4. Y is 4. Okay. Now for the next one, you can see this 3z, this one 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. So from here 3w, and transfer this to left side, minus 2w is equal to 3, means w is equal to 3. Clearly this w is equal to 3. Okay. Now last one for z, you can see this 3z is equal to z plus w minus 1. So transfer this z to left side, we have 3z minus z, and this is w की value 3 minus 1. So 3z minus z is 2z equal to 2. So from here z is equal to what? 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So z is 1. Okay. So that's enough for today. There are many questions which I have left up to question number 12. That is homework for you. Next time we will solve some more questions from this exercise. Okay. Thank you.